Hello everyone, I'm back. Now in this episode, let's take a look at Terra, alright, Luna USDT. Terra has been getting some interesting news well, has been getting pretty good exposure in the news, right? For something like, I can't remember exactly, but along the lines of it being like a very useful and very well received cryptocurrency. So let's take a more in-depth look at it, shall we, to see if there are any interesting opportunities. So here's an interesting observation, right? Right off the bat, as you can see, it's pretty much a very ranging coin at this point of time. Look, it's been ranging around this zone, and it has been ranging around this zone. Can you see that? It's a very ranging coin. Pretty much. From its compared to its heyday. So interestingly, right, now that we've drawn this box, you can see clearly it coincides with the previous ranging price. Most interesting, isn't it? Alright, so now let's take a more in-depth look at whether there are interesting opportunities. I mean, off the top of my head, right, let's go back to the daily chart here. Right, if it's gonna range around this price, you can clearly identify an opportunity here already. See, there's this gap here to fill. For which for a slightly long-term trader would be an interesting prospect, right? Look, 34% upside over here, with a stop loss at, you could set it here, I guess, 10%. So we're looking at 3 to 1 risk ratio, 3.36 risk ratio. So you enter at, just to recap it, you enter at 5.956, and then you exit, you take profit at 8.02, with a stop loss of 5.29, right? 5.29, yeah, 5.29. Pretty decent, I reckon. Yeah, that's for a short, longer time frame, actually. What about a shorter one? Let's see if there's anything interesting on the hourly chart. Okay, so I know for a fact that when previously I mentioned that there's gonna be there were interesting news, right, about Luna. This happened here. This happened right here, which caused the start of the bull run here. You can see higher highs, maybe something like that. Higher highs. Is there gonna be a parallel channel? Typically there is, as you can see. Pretty nicely aligned parallel channel. So that means over the next few hours, like is it an hourly? Yeah. Over the next few hours at least, we can expect this. We can expect an easy 7% upside on current price, and you can set a stop loss here, 1.5%. Yeah, that's a pretty good time slot. So you're looking at an entry of I think it's, let's just see it from here. Entry price of 5.9837, stop loss 5.8, or rather you can put it as 5.89. Take profit at 6.45. So that's an easy 7%, I reckon. Yeah. Long short. Seems like a very straightforward chart, because ever since the great crash here, let's just mark it right here. The great crash, or rather, let's put the great correction. It's basically ranging. It was basically ranging around the same kind of price. Yeah, it's a very ranging coin. After the initial, you can see burst, range, dip, range. So there's no, well, it's a good thing, I guess. There's very little volatility. But for those who are looking to, well, double, triple, quadruple their money, their investment, you might have to wait for a bit of a longer time frame, I guess. As you can see, let's see, right? Yeah, Luna's been around since August, and only recently, August 19, right? Yeah, August 19. Only recently in 2021, or even like, yeah, January 2021, only then did it start to spike up. So, let's just see, I'm so curious, right? For someone who has invested in Luna here in January, how much would they have made? Wow, that's crazy. Wow, that's crazy. Can you see how crazy that is? 3,000%. Let me zoom right in. 3,000%. Yeah, that's rough. Oh, crazy. So, $1 would have made $30. $1,000 would have been $30,000. Yeah, crazy. So yeah, pretty straightforward analysis actually, and hopefully you found it useful. Of course, do remember to do your own research. Do not just take my word for it. Cross-check with the other analysts or use your own technical skills to make a decision, right? Because right now, my specialty, right, is the using of the chart the analysis of the chart to help me make decisions. I do not really go too deep into the fundamental news and stuff. So your call. Do at your own risk. And hopefully you found this useful. Hopefully this supplemented your knowledge. If you found it useful, do consider liking and subscribing. I'm also planning to launch a new cryptocurrency trading course to help boost or to help you make better informed decisions using some of the techniques that I have demonstrated in the videos and more, of course. So do drop me a comment if you're interested, and in the meantime, stay safe, trade safely, and I shall see you in the next video.